Yo guys, it is Tekid here, and in today's video I will be custom DIY glow in the dark my fidget spinner. So basically, I'm just gonna I'm gonna paint my fidget spinner with this paintbrush right here, and let's see how it goes. But first, I need some cardboard. Okay guys, but first, before the video starts, can we hit 15 likes? The last video got over 15 likes, and the one before that got over 15 likes also. But in today's video, I got the cardboard, and let's just see. I'm just gonna take this apart. Okay guys, so now to the apart. Let's go open up this acrylic paint, which is glow in the dark. It says not to put it on your hands, but I'll just wash it after. But okay, so let's just put some on the cardboard. And as you can see, I already took the bearings off on these. So there's 2 bearings on the outer ones, which are these, and then there's one in the middle that spins fast. So let's just put some on the cardboard, unscrew this. Okay. Okay, so this should be enough right here, and let's just start painting this thing. As you can see, there's all this green slimy stuff on, so I have to clean the insides so these can fit back in. It looks like it is done right now, and let's just see how long I have to wait for. It says it dries quickly to a permanent finish, so let's just wait for this thing to be done. I'm just gonna go clean my hands. It actually looks amazing, guys. And now we just have to wait. Okay guys, so this thing looks done. Let's just test it in the washroom. Okay guys, so let's just close the door and let's see if it lights up. Charge it and boom! Let's just spin this. This is insane, guys. DIY a glow in the dark spinner. Okay guys, this is the glow in the dark DIY fidget spinner. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more, comment down in the description, and don't forget to like the video for more amazing content, and tell your friends about my channel, because I'll be uploading 3 times a week, not 2, not 1, 3 times a week, every week for the rest of my life, or hopefully. But anyways, my name is Tekid, and I'm out.